Keeping up on the suspense on contesting from the high-profile Amethi seat in Uttar Pradesh, Congress's Rahul Gandhi evaded a direct question by a journalist who asked whether Rahul would contest from Amethi, leaving his Wayanad seat. Dodging the question, Congress MP termed the question by the journalist a question by the BJP and said that it was the domain of the party's Central Election Committee and that he would abide by the decision. While the BJP has renominated Smriti Irani from Amethi seat, which was once a stronghold of Rahul Gandhi, Congress is yet to name any candidate.
लोग तो गुजरात छोड़कर पीएम बनने के लिए बनारस आते हैं, आप वायनाड चले गए, तो क्या अमेठी या रायबरेली से आप लड़ेंगे?
ये बीजेपी वाला क्वेश्चन है।
ये पत्रकार का सवाल।
पहले ही ओपनिंग बॉल बीजेपी क्वेश्चन। वेरी गुड, शाबाश। देखिए, अमेठी की बात कांग्रेस का डिसीजन है। जो भी मुझे ऑर्डर मिलेगा मैं वो करूंगा। सीईसी मीटिंग हमारी पार्टी में सीईसी मीटिंग्स में ये डिसीजन लिए जाते हैं। बट पहला बीजेपी का क्वेश्चन, गुड क्वेश्चन, थैंक यू।
Now, this response comes amid speculations that have been rife that Rahul Gandhi, who's been renominated by his party from Kerala's Wayanad seat, may also contest from Amethi. Rahul Gandhi had won the Amethi seat 3 consecutive times since 2004. However, BJP Smriti Irani had won the seat by 55,000 votes in the last Lok Sabha elections, earning the tag of a giant slayer. The BJP has now slammed the Gandhis for vacating their bastion seat.
Whether we'll see any person from Gandhi family contesting from Amethi or Raebareli. Today we see when this question was asked to Rahul Gandhi, he basically sidestepped the question and he basically stated whatever the party will decide, he will adhere to it. How do you see this?
That answer should be given by the Congress party. Clearly, Mr. Rahul Gandhi has run from Amethi. Wayanad, he has taken the support of the PFI, which is a terror outfit. And in the days to come, people only rely on good work.
Now, India Bloc allies as well as Congress colleagues of Rahul Gandhi have said that that Rahul Gandhi is not afraid of fighting the elections and the decisions are taken not by an individual in their party but collectively in Cong CEC meetings.
There is a continuous demand from the UP Congress leaders as well as workers that Rahul Gandhi should contest from Amethi. He's today said that whatever Congress High Command will decide, he will accept that. What is your opinion on that? Do you want Rahul Gandhi to contest from the Amethi?
See, I am a party leader and I know the system of the party. So whatever CEC decide, whatever our Congress President Kharge ji decides, I think Rahul ji will follow the same.
Your own opinion?
My own opinion is Rahul ji is fighting from Wayanad. If he will fight from Amethi, it will give a boost to UP.
See, I'm not aware, but tomorrow I'm going to Wayanad for his campaigning because he's campaigning all over the country. It is good. I think, I hope the CEC will take a call on that. You know that Rahul Gandhi is not afraid of elections. He is a big fighter of this country, and I'm sure with his hard work, it will pay him good results.
Nyamika now joins us for more on this. Nyamika, it looks like the Congress is fumbling for answers when it comes to the question about Rahul Gandhi coming to contest from Amethi, and which is why it is a convenient way of deflecting the focus on media. Focus and blame on media.
Well, the suspense has been maintained by the Congress party regarding the 2 seats of Uttar Pradesh, including Amethi and Raebareli. And for that reason, this question was directly being asked to Rahul Gandhi during a press conference, which he has addressed along with the Samajwadi Party leader Akhilesh Yadav, in which he was being questioned that whether he would choose to contest from the Amethi constituency of Uttar Pradesh. And to that question, he tried to dodge this question and he said that whatever the Congress High Command, whatever the CEC will decide, he will accept it. However, it is also need to be noted that he didn't deny this question that he will not be contesting from the Amethi constituency. However, the suspense has been maintained by the Congress party as no candidate has been announced as of now by the Congress party regarding these 2 seats, as the decision is being left upon the Gandhi family only. However, it is also being told to us by our sources who were being present in the last CEC meeting in which the Uttar Pradesh seats were being being discussed that all the members of the CEC had also demanded that Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra should contest from the seats of Amethi and Rae Bareli, as not just the leaders but also the workers of the Congress party had also gathered here at the AICC headquarters, in which they had said that that they had passed a resolution in the district committees, as well as during the PEC meeting also there was a resolution which was being passed by the senior leaders of the UP Congress, in which they had demanded that Rahul Gandhi should contest from Amethi, Priyanka Gandhi should contest from Rae Bareli constituency. However, there is no such discussion which had taken place recently in the CEC meetings, and the decision is being left upon the Gandhi family only, and it is being expected that after April 26, when the voting will be concluded in the Wayanad seat, then only an announcement can be expected from the Congress party on these two seats.
Is it a decision that has to be taken by the Congress High Command or by the CEC or by Rahul Gandhi himself? That is a big question here. But there is a man who is interested in contesting from Amethi, and that is Robert Vadra. Remember, he has said that people of Amethi love him and they know about his humanitarian work and want him to fight elections from the seat. He also said that while he wants his wife to take the poll plunge first, he himself is keen on representing and ensuring the development of the constituency.
मुझे लग रहा है कि वो चाहते हैं कि गांधी परिवार का कोई भी सदस्य वापस आए, वहाँ वो भारी बहुमत से जिताएंगे, यहाँ तक कि वो मेरे से भी प्रेरणा करते हैं और आशा करते हैं कि मैं वहाँ अपना पहला कदम अगर राजनीति में रखता हूँ और सांसद बनने की सोचता हूँ तो मैं अमेठी को ही रिप्रेजेंट करूँ। उनका मेरे ख्याल से ज़्यादा वहाँ आना जाना नहीं है, वहाँ कुछ प्रगति के बारे में नहीं सोच रहे हैं, बस वो ये देख रहे हैं कि गांधी परिवार के ऊपर कैसे कुछ बेबुनियाद कोई सवाल उठाएं, इल्ज़ाम लगाएं और बस शोर शराबा करें और अपनी पोजीशन का गलत इस्तेमाल करें। तो मैं देखता हूं कि ज़्यादातर वो उसी में लगे हुए हैं। अगर मैं अपनी मेहनत से आऊं और लोग चाहते हैं और कांग्रेस पार्टी चाहेगी और अपनी मेहनत से मैं बनूं, ये नहीं कि क्योंकि मैं गांधी परिवार का सदस्य हूं उसी वजह से मुझे चुना गया है या चाहते हैं।
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।